Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Behar and today I'm going to do an unboxing video of the SGW1010 EVK. This is a evaluation board created by SG Wireless, which is an exciting company from Season Group. Let's get started. Alright, so here's the box. As you can see here, you can have the product evaluation down here, the brand of the company, and the board picture. In here you can see 5 different descriptions. One says 32-bit ARM processor, 48 GPIO, 2.0 USB, 1 MB flash, and 256 KB of RAMs. And then we turn this guy over. As you can see, we have all these different specifications, what's in the box, and the content. So let's go ahead and open it. And then as you can see, it's kind of straightforward. All you have to do is just push up. And just like that. And here we have this little fold. All you have to do is just lift this guy up. And immediately we can see the board, the NFC reader, and the USB cable. As you can see, I have 3 products here. We have a USB to micro USB cable for development and power on the board here. Then we have the NFC reader. As you can see, the company brands on the front. And then on the back is pretty much the same thing. It's also bendable and flexible. Then you have your little terminal port that goes right here on the board. And let's take a look at the board itself. As you can see here, we have our main board. You have 48 GPIOs on here on the side here. You also have 2 USB cable for debugging and power on. You also have 4 custom buttons up here. You also have a reset button here. You also have NFC chip reader over here. You have the 32-bit ARM processor in the center of the board. And the heart of the content of the board is the Bluetooth module, which is over here. You also have power LED lights that indicates the board status. You also have the switch to turn on the board where there's on and off. You also have development plugins for flash and ROMs input on the board directly. And I think that's pretty much about it on this board. We turn this guy over. As you can see here, we have the diagram for the power on the board, and we have more diagrams as well over here. In this case here, we have a 3023 button berry that you can plug in to keep your board powered on without the USB plugged in. Head over to your favorite web browser and type in eshop.sgwireless.com. This is our company store page that you can purchase products such as Bluetooth module, Bluetooth tags, and Bluetooth gateway, and many more. In this video, this product was bought from SGW1010 evaluation module link, which I will provide the links in the description below. The product only cost me $59 plus shipping and handling fee. It was shipped from Hong Kong, which time it varies to deliver. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video provided useful information about this evaluation kit, and as always, please give a like and subscribe for more videos in the future.